Thanks for joining me for this January bullet journal where I play around with some Zentangles that I hope lift your spirit and also help you to think about just using some patterns and design for fun. I really appreciate the work that Roberts and Thomas have done with Zentangles describing this form of artwork of filling in a space with pattern and design in a meditative way. I understand that they described or maybe even invented this in 2003 when they wrote their book, which I am looking forward to reading. I used a ballpoint pen instead of a felt pen because this paper isn't thick enough for it not to bleed through. And it was rather challenging to do these designs with a ballpoint pen because it sort of steers itself in funny directions. And although I would have liked to have had a different pen and paper, this is what I had, and it was actually pretty fun to do it, even using just the ballpoint pen, which was not the best. I find that it's better to do something, even if it's not ideal. This helps me as I continue to work on perfectionism. If you like seeing perfectly imperfect videos of perfectly imperfect art, then please like and subscribe for more content. I do a monthly bullet journal as well as just some random doodles, and then also I create cards for people that I know and love. If you have something specific that you'd like to see, let me know. I definitely do take suggestions, and I have done dinosaurs and a sheep to meet some of those suggestions, so I'd love to hear what you'd like to see. I like that the purpose of the Zentangle is to be meditative or to relax, and that you can go anywhere with it that you want. I kind of like this fish in the water, but I often do lots of flower type designs and also lots of geometrical designs with boxes. I have been using this Happy Planner notebook for the last few months, and I have been kind of thinking about what to do because these squares define the space, and so I thought Zentangles was perfect because they're often done to fill in a square or rectangle. And as you can see, this is nothing but rectangles, so I thought it was perfect. And I actually do like the way that it looks and the way each box is unique. I did try to think about how much ink I used on each rectangle and make it balanced across the page. So here is the final overview of what I will be using this month to make sure that I am keeping on schedule and I know what to do across the days and weeks. During the rest of this month, I will enjoy looking at these Zentangles and creating some more. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you again next time. Bye-bye.